out the black thing she see. Just felt and that's right, they know where he's
Another day, another laboy na naman ang gagawin natin. And for today's video, pupunta nga pala tayo sa family day dito sa office. And syempre kasama natin si Princess, ang batang laboy. So samahan nyo kami, tingnan natin kung ano yung kaganapan at masayang mangyayari ngayon sa office. Let's go! At yun na nga mga kalaboy, so nakapasok mga kami sa office. And now, papunta na kami dun sa may designated floor area namin. Yan mga kalaboy, ito nga pala yung lobby area ng office namin. Didiretso na nga tayo doon. Syempre, para maiwasan natin ang malate doon sa program. At syempre, since marami ang pupunta ngayon, per batch nga ang pagpunta sa office. Itong punta namin, first batch, so 9 o'clock kami. So ano pang inaantay natin? Let's go! Ayun pala. Pasok.
Welcome. Yes, I think first. Hello.
TL. Ma, TL. TL Jello, mama ko. Tapos si boss ko, boss. Mama ko po. Ang pamangking ko.
Pamangkin mo?
Oo.
Parang bumahal pa lang to. Puro wakting nila pa. Ito, lagay nyo naman. Anong oras kayo dumating?
Kakarating lang din namin. Bilis lang naman.
Saan ka nag-park?
Dito na.
Hindi, I mean reserve.
Oo, reserve.
Lady Brass, the top lady top. He's the root of soul. Yeah, they ring, he can play the links of the strings. They rock, rock, and out the black thing she see. Just felt and that's right, they know where he's at.
Mamaya pa ata sila eh, no? Wala bang dance number din? Yeah, thank you. Sure na, TL. Thank you, TL. I'm Princess Go. Shoot mo, Princess. Shoot mo. Ayun, may egg, go, Princess. Ayun, may egg, kunin mo, go. Dahil nga malapit na ang program, so nag-ready na rin kami dito para sa upuan and also para may magandang view si Princess. So tara na, tingnan natin.
Okay, everyone, clap your hands, come on. Watch the magic wand. Look at this. 1, 2. Okay, come on, everybody, clap your hands. Come on. There we go. Everybody, what color is this one? Black and white. And what is the animal have the same color with this? Green, you have very good. Watch. Everybody, don't blink your eyes. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Everybody clap your hands, guys. Now, I will show you another color, okay? Okay, everybody, what color is this one? Look at the black Thank you. I think another magic one for me. What? What did you do? It became a noodles now. It's like pancit canton. Yeah. And this one. Okay, don't worry. I have another one, okay? I think another magic one for me. What? What did you do? It became a noodles now. It's like pancit canton. Yeah. And this one. Okay, don't worry. I have another one, okay? But don't break this one. Are you sure? Are you ready? Really? Say promise. Say promise.
Kala ko sino pogi. Si Kuya Joel pala.
Uy, may inuli ah.
At hanggang dito na nga muna tayo mga kalaboy, and para sa mga bago lang sa channel ko, please follow, like, and share na rin kayo kung nagustuhan nyo ang video ng ang